In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete, inactivate, and reactivate a vendor in QuickBooks Online. Managing your vendor list properly keeps your reports clean and makes day-to-day bookkeeping much easier. Over time, you might stop working with certain vendors, or you may need to temporarily remove them from active use without losing their history. That's where inactivating and reactivating vendors comes in, and in some limited cases, completely deleting them. Let's start with how to inactivate a vendor. In your QuickBooks Online account, go to the left-hand menu and click on Expenses, then choose Vendors. This brings you to your full vendor list. Scroll through the list or use the search bar to find the vendor you want to inactivate. Once you've found them, click on Edit to open the vendor's profile. In that profile window, look for the option that says Make Inactive. Select that, then click Save to confirm. QuickBooks will remove that vendor from your active list, but all of their historical transactions stay in your books. If you have several vendors to clean up at once, you can speed things up with batch actions. Back in the vendor list, check the boxes next to each vendor you want to inactivate. Then look for the Batch Actions dropdown and choose Make Inactive. Confirm the change, and QuickBooks will inactivate all of those selected vendors together. Next, let's cover how to reactivate a vendor you previously inactivated. Again, go to Expenses, then Vendors. At the top right of the vendor list, you'll see a small gear icon for list settings. Click that gear icon, and then check the box that says Include Inactive. Your vendor list will refresh, and you'll now see both active and inactive vendors, with inactive ones often showing Deleted next to their name. Find the vendor you want to bring back, and in the Action column, or next to the vendor's name, click Make Active. That vendor will return to your active list and can be used on new transactions. Finally, let's talk about deleting a vendor. QuickBooks only lets you delete a vendor if there are no transactions linked to that vendor. If there are any past bills, expenses, or payments, you either need to delete every related transaction or simply make the vendor inactive instead. If you do decide to delete transactions, go to Expenses, then Vendors, and select the vendor. From there, open the transaction list. Click into each transaction you want to remove and choose Delete. Keep in mind that deleting transactions affects your books and reports, so proceed carefully. It's a good idea to review your audit log in QuickBooks to track any changes made to your account and confirm who deleted what and when.